We're back in Unsealed Garage with Ben Lavis from Drivetech 4x4, and today we're going to put something on Rusty that's needed since day dot. That's the clutch. Ben, walk us through it, mate.
Yeah, no dramas. Look, when I first drove the car, started to feel everything that was right and wrong with it. The clutch was definitely something wrong with it. There was a lot of shudder, there was a lot of spongy feel in the clutch pedal.
Yeah, I remember, yeah.
So I think, like everything, we're just going to change everything out on the clutch system.
That's what happens when you come around, mate.
Oh, I know, it turns into a manual task every time. So we've got a Drivetech 4x4 clutch kit here. It's a heavier duty spec than standard.
Fantastic,
we'll need it. Doing a lot of outback travel and towing and such, thought we'd do that. Good thing with the kit, it does come with absolutely everything you need to do the job, including the clutch alignment tool, bearings, Loctite, everything for the job.
Excellent. Yeah, well, let's jump into it then, eh?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, I've got to say, Ben, I've done clutches myself in my driveway at home. That was a lot easier than what I was used to and what I was expecting.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're trying to make it easy. We've got everything you need in the clutch kit. Richard's back there just torquing up the last of the bellhousing bolt, so we're just about done. We did the master cylinder, the clutch slave cylinder, put some new fluid in there, so it should be good to go.
Should outlast the truck, I'd say.
I reckon it'll outlast the body anyway.
That's not going to be hard.
True.
Mate, thank you so much for coming by.
No
Always
dramas.
appreciated.
Sounds good. Thanks, mate.